Welcome back to TechVibes. When we think of Roku devices, we always assume they are completely locked down. But did you know there are hidden developer menus built right into your device? Today, I am going to show you 3 incredible secret screens that let you block ads, track your device temperature, run internet speed tests, and check your video output settings. Let us jump right into how to unlock these powerful tools. First, let us check out the Images and Ads secret screen. This menu gives you full control over how your user interface behaves. To unlock it, grab your remote, go to the main home screen, and tap the home button 5 times. Then quickly press up, right, down, left, up. Once the menu loads, you can scroll down to the scrollable ad section. You can choose to completely disable these ads to clean up your dashboard. You can also toggle your gaming remote auto pairing on or off and change your screenshot format between PNG and JPEG. There are even deep background logs available if your system is experiencing sudden glitches. Next up is the platform secret screen. This window monitors your hardware health, temperature, and wireless performance. To access it, tap the home button 5 times, then press fast forward, pause, rewind, pause, fast forward. At the very top of this dashboard, you can see your current hardware temperature and CPU speed. If you open the system operation menu from here, you can choose to enable a frames per second video overlay, which will show up on the top left corner of your television screen. This section also holds the hidden wireless menu. It displays your precise signal strength, connection error codes, and even allows you to perform an internet speed test inside the user interface. If you are experiencing network issues, you can toggle your public domain configuration to DNS 8.8.8.8 to instantly improve stability. Before you launch any third-party software or modify your system, it is vital to protect your hardware. I highly recommend using NordVPN to run any app smoothly on your streaming device. Turning on a premium VPN is essential to stop internet provider throttling, bypass hidden regional blocks, and keep your television safe from data leaks. I have placed the official installation link for NordVPN in the description and top comments below so you can safeguard your connection right now. Our final shortcut opens the hidden audio and video display menu. This provides your exact resolution capabilities, current refresh rates, and protocol verification. To load this menu, press the home button 5 times, then hit down, left, and press up 3 times. If you are on an older device, this portal will show you if standard 1080p is your maximum output and if your system lacks HDR support. It also reveals your encryption status, confirming if standard copy protection like version 1.4 is running properly. That concludes today's secret walkthrough for TechVibes. I will place all of these remote control codes in the description box below so you do not have to memorize them. If these hidden menus helped you customize your device, please drop a like to support the channel. Leave a comment letting me know if these shortcuts worked on your specific television. Smash that subscribe button right now to stay updated on all the best tech tips, and I will see you all in the next video.